Are you ready for the future of delivery? Amazon's new advancements in drone delivery technology could change the game forever. Imagine getting your packages delivered straight to your doorstep in under 30 minutes, all while traditional delivery drivers become a thing of the past. The testing phase is ongoing, and while the convenience is undeniable, it also raises important questions about safety, privacy, and possible job displacement. Join us as we explore the potential impact of Amazon's drone delivery program on the future landscape of e-commerce. Amazon has begun testing a revolutionary new delivery method using drones with the goal of changing the way we shop forever. The company's Prime Air program has launched testing in California and Texas at the end of 2022 while working closely with the Federal Aviation Administration to ensure safety and compliance. With the ability to carry packages weighing up to 5 pounds, which covers almost 90% of all Amazon shipments, Prime Air aims to deliver packages directly to customers' backyards in a safe and efficient manner. The 6-propeller hexagonal delivery drone will fly autonomously using algorithms to avoid obstacles in the air and is made to minimize high-frequency sound waves. With these given features, Amazon Prime Air is on its way to revolutionize e-commerce within a few decades. However, while this new technology holds great promise, it also brings a number of logistical challenges that Amazon will need to address. Drones are just like any other man-made aircraft in the sky and have the potential to fall at any given point in time. Safety concerns are a major issue, as drones could malfunction and pose a risk to people and property. This is a major concern when in highly densely populated areas where there are a lot of buildings and people, which could be potentially hazardous. Drones will be targets of cyber attacks, which could lead to drones becoming out of control and cause potential accidents. Additionally, there are privacy concerns surrounding the use of drones flying over residential areas, which raise concerns about surveillance and invasion of privacy. The collection of data of people in their house could take place, which then could be sold to third parties for targeted advertising or without consent of individuals. Also, the drones that deliver goods could use the cameras and AI to map out the inside of homes and streets, which could be used for various purposes in the collection of data. Despite these challenges, Amazon Prime Air will be the future of drone delivery, and the company plans to gradually expand the program to other locations. As the e-commerce landscape continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how Amazon navigates these challenges and potentially reshapes the way we receive our packages. Amazon has only begun testing, and this practice is not widely adopted yet, but this has the potential to surpass the efficiency of human delivery, but that day is far to come. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel.